Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya urimi Ndagitari Paul Rono augite arimi a waru ni makoretwo makihinyiririo muno na njira ya kugurirwo waru na thogora wa raithi hamwe na ithimo iria ikoretwo igitiga arimi magitara hathara. Akiaria hindi ya muthenya wa kimabũrũri wa waru, Rono augite waru ni ikoretwo icangiire na njira nene hari kuhunia bũrũri na gukuria utonga wa bũrũri.
So locally potato is the second most important staple food. I think in Kenya we need close to 3 million bags of potato every year. And our current production is 2.2 million bags. So there's a deficit of around 800,000 bags. But if we step up this crop, we are looking at 6 million bags every year to feed.
Ohoro no augite thirikari ni gukinyaniria mubango wa waru guthimwo na makunia ma kilo 50 handu ha uria ikoretwo igithimwo hatari na githimo na gucungiriria hathara nene kuri arimi.
I have seen, even when I was coming, that a number of lorries in this road and some farmers standing side by side on the road have already packed the potato beyond the 50 kilogram bags themselves. I'm telling you, this must stop, and it will stop, and it will stop.
Ndeto-ini igie uhuthiri wa dawa cia tutambi, Rono augite thirikari ni gukorwo igikinyaniria uhuthiri wa dawa iria cieriga kurugamio kuhuthika bũrũri-ini, akirutira mukana mururu aria mekunyitikana magiciendia kana gucihuthira.
Hizo pesticides yenye sio halali. Kama pesticides imepaniwa kwa nchi yote duniani, tumesema hapa Kenya hata sisi tutapana. Na tunasema kama kuna pesticide yenye sio mzuri na tumechunguza kama wa Kenya, kutoka next week tutapan 45 pesticides. Na tukitoa kusema pan tumetoa kwa Kenya, mtu yoyote akipatikana akitumia, sasa hiyo itakuwa lazima.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ni njitagwo Joel Kimani wa Njuguna.